Smash Engineering.
Okay, so this is an older video I made a while back, and it is about changing a speed sensor on a 99 Rookery Villager. Now, I know other videos like this probably exist, but this is my rendition. This is how I would do it. The overdrive light is flashing, and the speedometer is not working. And so during the course of my investigation on YouTube, other videos and such, I found that the speed sensor to be bad. So most of the videos I see say you have to tear the whole upper intake and what have you apart. I am on a hoist here for the video purposes, but this can be done in your driveway pretty easy. So what you have to do is there's a 10mm bolt. Let's see if I can get a video up in here. There's a 10mm bolt that holds this as your speed sensor in. And once you get that in, you cannot grab it by the plastic piece sticking up that the plug plugs into. That will snap off, guaranteed every time. What I did was I used a pry bar that I sharpened and a hammer, and I came in from this angle here. You can see my direct route there, and I pounded up on, excuse the phone ring in there, I pounded up on the ledge right there, and then I wiggled it, and then it comes right, pretty much right out. There's an O-ring in there that stops it. And then what you have to do is pop, and this is my new one here, you have to pop this little clip off, like a C-clip. And I took it off of this one, and it slides right onto there. You pop your C-clip back in. I highly recommend lubricating this O-ring. And if you buy a quality sensor, you probably never have to change it again, but who knows in the future. You can see this one's very dry, and that's what makes it hard to pull out. So we're just going to reinstall that in there, put the 10mm bolt back in, and should be good to go. But I just wanted to make a quick video letting everyone know. Just jack up the front of your car, slide it underneath there, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You do not have to take the top of the motor apart, top of the intake, and all that good stuff. So as you can tell, this is an old video of mine that got lost in a laptop. Was supposed to be my first YouTube video ever. However, you know, life gets in the way and things happen. Anyway, I was able to recover it, obviously, and I threw it up here for you guys. Figured it might help somebody. If you could smash that subscribe button for me, throw a like, maybe a few comments on there, and as always, help someone in need. Keep that smash story in the back of your mind. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.